Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at Husqvarna 372 XPW. That's that big block 75cc motor. Very popular saw for cutting the larger wood. This saw features a 28-inch bar and chain. That's a new Husqvarna bar and a new Oregon skip tooth chisel bit chain. Sprocket nose. Skip sequence. You can see the spacing between the teeth there. Very fast cutting chain. And we'll look at some of the features it has. Kill switch is right here on the left. Chokes on the right. Operator presence lever right here. Can't throttle that saw up unless your hand's in place. That's a great safety feature. Hand protector and foot pad. Works as a hand protector in a chain throwing incident. Gives you some protection from your hand for your hand there. And uses a foot pad when starting this high compression engine. Put your foot in the pad there, get a good grip on the handlebar. Push in the decompression valve, which is on the opposite side. Little valve right there. Blue valve. And then start the saw on the ground. Safest way to start this saw. You have the chain brake on, always helps to keep that chain from turning. Got the large air filter, easy to get at. Wrapped handlebars. And easy access on adjusting the tension. Loosen the two bar nuts up. Right here's a screw, the tensioning screw. It's got those great motor mounts, the steel spring motor mounts you can see in there. And there's one down here, and then there is one on the opposite side over here. You can't really see yet. It really makes it smooth on the operator. Side load on your gas and oil. And it's got the falling sights right here. You call them the gunner sights or falling sights. When you're falling trees, you can sight where you want the tree to fall. Great feature. Let's go outside and cut with this powerful saw now.